According to the World Health Organization, more than 5% of the world's population suffers from disabling hearing loss. We want to break communication barrier. We will show you how our prototype works. This is a personal account where you can see the overall progress of your studies, the history of the past lessons and your grades. You can repeat the lesson if you doubt your knowledge or have forgotten it. Next, let's move on to the lesson. This video shows how our lesson works. It is divided into 4 stages. The first stage is learning new letters and memorizing hand movements. An animation of a new gesture is shown. You remember it, and when you are ready, you can move on to the next gesture. The second stage is a small test where you need to choose the right option. You see the gesture that you have already learned on the previous stage. You are also given several answer options. By pressing the select button, you choose the correct answer. After that, you see the message whether your answer is correct or not. At the third stage, you are asked to repeat the gestures you have already learned. You see the letter and your aim is to show the sign of this letter. Computer vision and artificial intelligence determine the correctness of a gesture. If you show it correctly, then you move on to the next letter. The last stage involves composing words with the letters you have learned. This stage works as the previous one, but your aim is to compose a small word with the letters. After completing all the stages, you are greeted by the reward screen, on which you see how you have passed the level. The mobile application will work in the following way. The person shows the phrase with a gesture. Augmented reality glasses read it and recognize. The person in these glasses and the rest of the participants of the conversation get the typed text and the synthesized speech to their mobile application. Every participant of the conversation can reply orally to a gesture phrase. Then, the speech is recognized and translated into the text, so that a person with a hearing loss can understand the answer. With our platform, we want to tell the world that sign language is not that complicated. Breaking down communication barriers.